Good afternoon, everybody, and hello, how's it going? It's your Hyundai guy, Robert Wiseman, your automotive professional at Massey Hyundai in Hagerstown, Maryland. Folks, this is another Your Hyundai Guy vehicle review, and today it is the groundbreaking eye candy 2012 Hyundai Veloster. This is the style and tech package. This is the illest Veloster you can get your hands on in today's marketplace. Check this out. Gonna do a quick walk around for you. LED accented headlights when these things are shining at nighttime is sick. You're talking about sick. You got the 18-inch alloy wheels with the color inserts on. It usually ties back to the car color, but silver wouldn't go well in there, so they added the black onto this silver one. Looks sick. This is a 3-door vehicle, folks. Here's the third door right here. The handle, as you can see, is up here. Folks, I have testimonials on the fuel mileage on this, up to 45 on the highway in this vehicle, up to 34 in the city. This is a 1.6 liter GDI engine pumping out about 145 horsepower. Not a race car, but it's got some nice acceleration, gets up and goes. This is, again, has the style and the technology package added. Also, again, Hyundai's best warranty. You already know what that is. 1 decade on the powertrain under the hood. 5 years 60 bumper to bumper. Roadside assistance, 5 years unlimited miles. 7 years on the corrosion and rust. Adds the full panoramic sunroof. See if you can get a view of that right here. Around to the side here, show you the rear. Check this out, the LED tail lights for instant reaction once you press that brake, a lot faster than the standard. Here is your backup camera right underneath the Hyundai badge here. There's the Veloster badge. This pops up. There's your trunk space. Good amount of space here, as you can see. You can also take this privacy cover off, and then you can put the seats down 60-40 split, like most of our products, for maximum space. Again, around to the side, there's those wheels again. I know you're liking those. I love those. So those things rolling, I mean, it looks sick. All keyless. You're just going to come up to this, press this button one time for this door, twice will open all 4. Once to lock it, there's that roadside 800 number. That's your bat line right there anytime you got any issues. All your controls in this are here on the steering wheel. For your Bluetooth, call comes in, just press this to answer, that to hang up. All your cruise control is here. I'm sorry, that is your volume control and everything. My apologies. Cruise control is over here. Tripometer. Here is the screen that not only functions as a nav and as the backup camera, but also has some games and stuff on there that you can play that are awesome. They're all, you go to beat your best score that you got, and it's all based on how eco-friendly you're driving. Another way that Hyundai helps you to maximize the fuel economy on these vehicles. You can also, down here, has the USB and auxiliary ports. You can plug in your iPhone, smartphone, or jump drive, upload your own photos and whatnot to this, and set your own screensaver, or also have a slideshow of your own photos going on. I mean, that's ridiculous. Hyundai here was the first vehicle, others have it now, that we partnered up with Pandora. So you can stream your Pandora. You just go to the app on your phone once you're hooked up through Bluetooth, and then you can see your channel listings and everything on this screen. It's pretty ridiculous. This thing comes with the right cables that you can hook up a Wii, a PlayStation 3, a Xbox to this thing and sit here and bust out video games in this car, guys. Come on. Up here is your rear view mirror, which has the BlueLink technology installed in it. Also, as well, on this screen, it has full phone functionality. So this will be your caller ID here, but you can press this phone button and the screen pops up with the numbers you can dial out on here, as well as hit your contacts and scroll through your contact list. Boom, press the number you want to call. Easier than picking up your phone, having to dial, or any of that nonsense. Here is your start button right here, where you're just going to hold in the brake pedal and press this. It'll fire right up. Check out these brake pedals. Pretty sick, right? Check out over here, you have the paddle shifters on this particular model right here. See if I can get a view on these right there. So you can shift the gears up and down using the shifter. This vehicle here has the leather leather seats with the cloth inserts maximize your comfortable. I mean, I'm telling you, super comfortable this vehicle is. I want to take you back around here. I want to show you this third door in the back seat. Very spacious and pretty cool, I might add. You just come over here, boom, pop it up over here. Here's your back seat, folks. Nice comfortable seats, cup holders there. 2 people fit very easy, folks. And there you had it. The 2012 Hyundai Veloster. This is your Hyundai guy. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this review. Call me up and set your appointment to view the best vehicles in the marketplace with the area's premier automotive professional. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you next time.